Can you hear that? It's the sound of a cicada searching for his mate. Only the males chirp like that, and in some places, it's loud enough that it can even damage our ears. Somewhere out there, a female is clicking in the brush, helping him home in on her location. For them, it's the way they find each other. It's something they've been doing since the time of the dinosaurs, making them one of my favorites in the backyard. They're found all over the world, and maybe you've heard them in the late summers where you're from. Next time you're outside, try sitting with your eyes closed and listening to the sounds around you. I'm Jonas, thanks for joining me, and don't forget to keep being curious.